What's up, my DIYs and subscribers? This is a 2017 Nissan Rogue SV 2.5 liter. We're about to install the Vapor Canister Solenoid on this vehicle. Get you a drink, get you a popcorn, sit down and relax. It's gonna be a short one. Hit the subscribe button. Tell a friend, DIY diagnostic and repair. Let's get into this repair. All you need for this job is pliers, a 10mm, and a ratchet. Alright, that's all you need. So right now what we're going to do, we're going to take these clamps off. There are two clamps. One right here. You press it and you bring it down right here, just like that. See that? And I'm going to go ahead and take the other one off right now also. You press it in and you bring it this way. And you really ain't got to bring it this way. The line comes off. See that? So you can just open it up and pull the line out. It's pretty easy to come off. Okay, this one we're gonna try to move this. Sometimes it sticks on there. Just get the pliers and kind of break it. You know, right there. You hear it? It broke. And now, what I use, you could use a screwdriver and put it here, but I got this separator that you could put right here and kind of press the hose back like that, and then press it and it line come off just like that. Okay, now what we're about to do, get you a 10mm. It's one here. It's one right here. Take that out. That's one of them. Before we take the other one out, if you see this plug, you press it in right here at the top. And when you press it, just pull it off. Just like that. Now you could take the other one off. It's a simple replacement job. You just got to know what's going on. Now get your new one. I'm going to show you the part number that I got from AutoZone. Right here. See it? Let me see if you can see it. It's PV654. PV654. Vapor Canister Solenoid. Okay, now get your new part right here. And we're about to put the screws back in first. So get your screws and start it by hand. These screws might be too short. Okay, if you look at the old one, you notice the old one do not have these rubber things. So if you want to, you could pop them out. You just pull them out, just like that. But if you notice, this hole is big. Right here, see that? The hole is big. You see these washers? Right here. We could put two washers on that. And I'm gonna show you what I'm talking about. Pull this out, pull these out, just pull them out, they can come out. See that? It makes the hole real big, see that? Pull them out. Pull out both of them. Now this is how it is. You see it? Just like that, see it? What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put a washer here and I'm gonna bolt them up, all right? So just look at what I'm doing. Get your bolt, and we're going to put the washer in between the bolt, like this. Then you're going to put it in here, like this. All right? And go ahead and bolt it in. Just bolt them in. Let me move this out the way so you can see. Get the other washer right here. And put the bolt in that one also. And we're going to screw it in the other hole. But you have to hold it so it won't fall out for right now because you only got one bolt in it. Okay. Just like that. Get your 10 millimeter, and we're about to tighten this in this hole. All right, don't just snug it down right there. Now you snug the other one down. Okay. If you gotta shift it some to where you could put it where you need to put it at, you could do that. That's why I tell you, don't tighten them all the way, so you can move it. Let me tighten this one a little bit so you can move it. Just like this. Okay? Now you can tighten both of them. You tighten this one. Now see, it's in. You don't have to go buy any new nuts or bolts. You just get your 2 washers, and those 2 washers will take care of the big hole because they made it different. These you could take off and save. You really don't need them. All right. Now we saw that is bolted in and tight. Now get your hose, put them on this side. Put that line on. Get the other line from this side and right here. You're gonna put it on. Now get your pliers and clamp that. Clamp back and put it where it was, right there. You're gonna do the same thing for the other one and try to put them in the same spot you take them out of. Try. You can see where it was seated at and put it back exactly where it was. Right there. Now this one, all you got to do with this one is clamp it and push the hose on at the same time. Just like that. And it's on. Okay? And all you got to do now is plug this back in. Plug this power back in. And it's plugged in. That's the end of this video. Hit that subscribe button. Tell a friend, tell a friend. And also you need to like these videos and comment so the algorithm can push this video out to other DIYs. That is how you replace your Vapor Canister Solenoid on a 2017 Nissan Rogue SV 2.5 liter. Alright? It goes for many other years too. So I'll catch you in the next one. DIY Diagnostic and Repair.